Hello, everybody. This is Eric Ferguson. This is my technology integrated lesson regarding kindergarten math. My lesson is called Counting Shapes to Answer How Many. The objective of my lesson is students will be able to count the number of similar shapes in a line and report that number. The Math Common Core standard used for this lesson is K.CC.5, which states count to answer how many questions about as many as 20 things arranged in a line, a rectangular array, or in a circle, or as many as 10 things in a scattered configuration. The duration of this lesson will be taught for 5 days for 40 minutes per day. The lesson will utilize whole group instruction and partners and pairs, as well as an individual assignment. The whole group instruction will only use technology because Google Slides will be shot on a projector screen so that I can model how to count the specific shapes, and then also the students will have an opportunity to count and report out. The partners and pairs will not include any technology. The individual assignment will utilize Pear Deck, which the slides used in the Pear Deck will be similar to those utilized in the whole group instruction. Additionally, this lesson will be supported in centers where they will complete a worksheet that will be turned in, and also a computer based kindergarten math game, which will include counting shapes that they will participate in that math game at least twice per week. The lesson will begin with the students sitting on the rug and facing the projector screen. I will obtain their attention by using the 1, 2, 3, look at me. At that point in time, I will advise them that we are going to be doing a counting lesson, but different than the previous counting lessons, which we're only going to be counting a specific shape. After giving them that information, I will tell them that to count in this lesson, they will be using the same strategies that were used in previous lessons. After that, I will model it on the first slide and show them how to and how many of a specific shape is on that slide. Thereafter, I will go through 2 to 3 more slides where the students will count, then hold up their fingers, indicating how many shapes they see. This will give me an opportunity to look and see how they're doing and understanding this lesson. After that, they will go into partners and pairs, which they will work on similar problems that are written on index cards, which they will use a dry erase marker to write down their answer with their partner. After they complete this group discussion, this group instruction, and the partners and pairs, they will be then released to return to their desk in pairs and to log into their computer. After each student has returned to their desk and they have their computer on and logged on, I will have them enter the Pear Deck program, and the code to enter the Pear Deck lesson will be displayed on the projector screen. The students will then complete the Pear Deck slides, which will be similar to the ones used in the whole group instruction. Thereafter, we will be discussing their answers and how they obtained their answers as a whole group, which I will use either sticks or ask for volunteers to explain how they came up with their answer to the specific question. The evaluation for this lesson for the whole group and the partners and pairs will be reporting out by holding up their hands with fingers displayed, and also the index cards where they write on their answer. The Pear Deck will also have their answers that I will be able to see on my side, but will not be able to be seen by the students. Furthermore, the worksheet that is completed during centers will be looked at by me and basically noted on how they're doing also on counting shapes. The materials needed for this lesson include a laptop computer, a projector screen, Pear Deck license, a kindergarten math game license, the internet access, coloring crayons or some form of markers, 4x6 laminated cards with objectives and corresponding how-to questions, dry erase markers, and worksheets that the students will be completing and turning in. That is the end of my lesson. Thank you very much. Good night.